And you put it on the ground, and you put you like that, stand it up.
Like oh no, it's
yep.
The bat race.
I don't have to do it like this.
And then you put your, come over here. Come over here.
You guys gonna need some space.
Where did you find them?
This is the starting point.
Playing over there, just like ours.
Oh.
Okay, you put your stick down. You come over here. Come over here. Rum, stay there.
You guys got to spread out a bit.
Back up to where you are. Put your stick down. Now you put your hands on the end of the stick and you put your forehead on the stick.
Keep the stick up, Evie.
Roman, Evie, look at Roman. Now you leave the stick in the same place and you twirl around the stick.
Yeah, like Evie's doing.
Evie's doing it right.
I'm afraid she's gonna cut her eyes.
What makes us mad?
Yeah, okay, now do it faster. Do it faster. Now when you stop, you run to me.
Leave the stick when you go running.
They're going to tell you when to go.
Okay.
Go back and do it some more.
Then we got race to you?
Yep.
Okay, ready? Go. Go circles, twirl.
Spin.
No,
You need spins.
Spin. I'm sorry, spin. No.
Okay.
Do what you were doing first. Do what Roman's doing, Evie.
You're going to spin around on the sticks, and then you're going to drop the sticks and race to me.
When I say run to Uncle Eric, but I didn't say that yet, so just
Spin
go in
around
circles.
fast.
Do your circles.
Spin around fast. Faster. Faster.
Go faster.
Okay, Uncle Eric, go. Drop your stick.
They're not easy enough.
I didn't do it enough.
I think we need more of a post
That's
and less
it.
of a
That's the race.
board.
I don't know.
We want to do another one, don't go in. Let's go down there, moving.
Down the hill. Man,
Down that hill.
Oh, you had cherry tomatoes.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Grape tomatoes.